Hey everybody, this is Lori, and today I wanted to share a post that I just wrote. And one of the reasons I wrote it was because there wasn't a lot of information about how to resolve the problem that I had. As I spent most of my morning trying to figure out what was going on and how to resolve it, and there just wasn't a whole lot out there. So anyways, if you're familiar with Google AdSense, there's other alternatives, and the one that I was just recently accepted into was the Yahoo Bing contextual ads program called media.net. I found out about it about a post when I was looking for Google AdSense alternatives because I had some issues with Google AdSense and I just wasn't going to waste my time on it because their support was, in my opinion, poor. So anyways, I started trying to use the ads in media.net, and it's what you're supposed to be able to do simply is just set up an ad and take the code for that ad and plug it into your text window in your WordPress website for your code, and then click save. And I had problems with my ads not showing up. And I tried deleting my cache and refreshing, and it still didn't work. So I contacted my account manager, and he suggested that I use one of these WordPress plugins for my ads. So I checked out each one of them, and one of the criteria, or three of the criteria that I use for all my plugins, is how many downloads or installs they have, what their rating is, and how often it's updated. And I went ahead and went with Ad Inserter because it met all my criteria. And one of the things that I had another problem with was understanding how to use Ad Inserter. There really wasn't a lot out there on the net, which I was kind of surprised. So that's why I'm doing this video, is to help people who are having the same problems I have, and hopefully they won't spend as much time as I did trying to figure everything out. So what I did was, if you're familiar with plugins, to go to your plugin, go out to your plugins, click on new, and just type in Ad Inserter or one of these other ones if you want to check them out yourself. And then just download it or install it. Install it and activate it. And then go to your settings, and it will be whichever one it is, it'll be in your settings. And in this case, it's Ad Inserter. And basically, this is what you see when you first install it and activate it. Okay? And basically, what these blocks are, these are just the area for the code. Okay, so whatever code you would normally put into a widget or into a web page or a post, you put here in this box. Okay, and you can go with simple editor, and all it does is just make it lighter. I'm not even going to mess with process PHP. So what you do is you copy and paste your whatever code you're using for your ad after you get it set up over in media.net, and it'll have, you can name it. Okay, so what I did was, I've got 3 ads on all my posts and my pages. I've got a one that's after the content, one that's before the content, and one that's in a widget. And if you go out to my website, you can see there's the ad before the content, there's the widget, and then after the content, I've got a block down here. And these are all different sizes that you can specify in your media.net dashboard. Okay, so I'm not going to go over that because it's fairly self-explanatory. Okay, so then what you want to do, go ahead and add your code here, and then automatically display. This is where you get your options: before your title, before content, before paragraph, after a paragraph, after content, before excerpt, after excerpt, or widget. Okay, so if you want it to be before the title, you can set it to that. You can do it for logged in, not logged in on all devices, or you can specify the device. And then you can do alignment, right, left, center, float, left, right. Okay, and then you can put it on all posts, all pages, your home page, category pages, search pages, archive pages. Or if you want to do just selected, you can do that. So if you want to do only on selected or only on selected, then you can specify. So in my case, I just wanted it on all. Okay, and then down here you can specify whether you want to blacklist or whitelist these categories, tags, URLs, and refers. Then you've got a spot here for minimum post page words, display after post is published. You've got tags, general tag, gadgets, and all that stuff. Then you've got shortcode, enable PHP function. And then down here is just some screenshots of what your dashboard can look like. One's for Adsense, one's for Amazon Associates. Because this is good for Adsense, Amazon Associates, and some other things. And when you do the search for the plugin, it'll show all the different icons, but it is good for media.net as well. Okay, and then when you get all this done, you just save all settings. You go out to your website, just click refresh, and that's basically it. Very simple. Before I started using the plugin, I couldn't get any of this stuff to show up at all, and it was really frustrating. So, and the ads will change as well. So you won't have the same exact ads. You'll have different ads. So there'll be a variety. Okay, so that's it. Hope this helps. And please like, share, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're having problems, leave me a comment and I'll see if I can help. I do moderate all of my comments because of spam on both my website and my YouTube channel. But again, I hope this helps and best of luck to you.